Here in the South, in Alabama, we went from 80-degree weather to below freezing weather. Real quick, like, no in between. We are in full-fledged winter time here in the South. And I'll be honest, I'm not here for it. But what I am here for is today's video, which I'm so excited to share with y'all. I have partnered with FabFitFun 2020 Winter Box. That's what I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing today with you. And I'm super excited because I've always been interested in doing a subscription box like this. I've just never done it before. So I'm super excited that I get to try this out with FabFitFun today. For those of you who don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box full of full-size beauty, fitness, lifestyle, and fashion products. Their mission is to deliver happiness to anyone and everyone, no matter what your style or taste is. They are available to ship in the US, Canada, and the UK. The FabFitFun boxes are valued at over $200, but you can get this seasonal subscription box using my code for only $39.99 when you use my special unique code, which is a steal of a deal because many of the products are actually valued more than what you will pay for the price of this entire box. As I'm unboxing and reviewing these products, I'll go over the retail value for each product with this $39.99 subscription box. So as we near this tough to navigate year that we have had of 2020, I'm looking forward to bringing some shimmer, some spice, and everything nice to you with this FabFitFun Winter 2020 box that I'm just about to unbox and show you everything. So let's get to it. Here is the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Let's see what's inside. So one thing I would like to mention about these FabFitFun seasonal boxes is you can choose to be completely surprised by whatever products they send you, or you can completely customize. Go online, pick the products that you think that you would be most interested in trying, or if you just want every season to kind of be like your birthday or Christmas at your doorstep and just be completely surprised, you can also choose that option as well. So it looks like we've got some magazines, looks like a few coupons, got a sticker, add a little sparkle to your shine. Looks like we've got another FabFitFun coupon. Let's see, it looks like we've got some wine discounts and coupons. Ooh, a HelloFresh, $80 off, including free shipping. Promo code right here. HBO Max. Looks like we've got a vitamin company. You get 30% off if you wanted to try that. Let's see, this is the FabFitFun magazine. In this magazine, it gives you a description of what all is in the box. It tells you the retail value of each item. It shows all the possible items that you could choose from the winter box. Looks like it's got some other magazine articles, some other promos in here. Very nice. So it looks like it's got a nice description of all the products they can send you. I'll be honest, I did kind of forget what I chose, so this is going to be a little bit of a surprise for me as well, even though I did customize my box. But let's see what I chose. Oh yes, I do remember choosing a blanket. I am a sucker for a nice, cozy, warm, soft blanket, especially in the wintertime. There is nothing better than curling up on the couch with some coffee in front of my space heater, all snuggled up in my blanket with my baby dog, Slater Mater. That's the best feeling to me. I went with this faux fur blanket, fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. So this is like looks like a gray, ooh my gosh. It feels so soft. It feels really soft. I wish that we had feel-o-vision television as well as smell-o-vision. But, okay, this is really soft. I can't wait to add this to my blanket collection and just snuggle up on the couch. I'm always a sucker for a good blanket, so happy for that. Oh, there's a Kind bar in here. I did not choose this as one of their products. They just must have sent this as a little freebie. What girl doesn't love a little chocolate treat here and there? We should all be about self-care around here. Scrunchies. Okay, so I'll admit, I am not a scrunchie gal. I know that it's like a huge fashion trend right now. We're bringing back the 80s, the 90s of the scrunchies. All these other girls have been wearing these scrunchies and they look so cute in it. And I want to be cute, so I opted in to get these animal print scrunchies. So I'm super excited. To be honest, this would probably be something that I would not buy on my own. But since it was an option to get in this box, we're gonna go with the scrunchies. So I'm excited to try these out in my hair. Maybe I can do a cute updo style or something like that. Continuing with hair, I chose this product by DP Hue, which I'll be honest, I've never heard of before. But what drew me in, first of all, it's a dry shampoo powder. I love a good dry shampoo because I wash my hair once, maybe twice a week. I'm just one of those lucky gals. I don't have to wash my hair every single day. Plus, it is a lot of work, a lot of maintenance. So if I can get by with washing my hair just one, maybe twice a week, I'm all here for it. But sometimes I do need a little zhuzh to my hair. It needs a little sprucing up, a little freshening up. So I will use a good dry shampoo powder. But I was drawn to this not only because it is a dry shampoo powder that I want to try, but it's apple cider vinegar infused. A gentle dry shampoo powder that helps absorb oil and impurities, refreshes style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. I'm excited to try this for sure. I was trying to see if it smells like apple cider vinegar. It does. It smells really good actually. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see that? Is it focusing? I think it's focusing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It smells really good. Also, I'm just a sucker for anything apple cider vinegar because I love vinegar, and I drink apple cider vinegar every day in my greens drink every morning as part of my morning routine. This is a Get Well Nail Recovery by London Town. Healthier looking nails are just 1 week away. Oh, in 1 week we should have healthier nails. An intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners. London Town's Get Well Nail Recovery contains alpha hydroxy acid, vitamins B5 and 6, and a patent strengthener that helps to hydrate and restore the nail surface and visibly fortify the nail plate. Directions is apply 1 coat on bare nails and allow to dry. Use twice weekly for best results. Can be used as a base coat. So I guess this is like one of those nail healing, just clear coat polishes. I don't get my nails done a whole lot. I'm more of like a special occasions person to go get my nails done. However, even though I do get gel, and I know gel is supposed to be better for your nails than like getting acrylic or even just regular nail polish, I believe, I do find it still kind of ruins my nails. Speaking of nails, my nails are like very ratchet right now. They're grown out and I've cut them, so my nails are turning into blue tips right now. I have noticed that I feel like the more often I get my nails done, obviously the weaker my nails become. So maybe I can start incorporating this when I'm giving my nails a break from getting them done, and this will help them recover. So that's definitely another item I would never choose to buy on my own. So that's what I love about the idea of these subscription boxes, is because you get to discover all kinds of products and get items that you would probably never buy on your own or never really seek to discover on your own. So this is a great way to try out products that you may have never heard of. Okay, next, what do we have here? Oh, this is from Tula Skincare. So I know a lot of people have heard of or seen or used the Tula Skincare line. I personally have never used Tula Skincare. I'll be honest, I am not a huge skincare person. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to skincare. I know, I'm in my 30s, I should do better about that, but the reality is I just don't. So I know a lot of people are very familiar and love the Tula Skincare products. So I actually chose this. It's a probiotic skincare eye brightening balm. Glow and Get It cooling and brightening eye balm. So it's a probiotic. It helps lock in moisture. It has caffeine, which gives the skin a tight and firm appearance, and it has rosehip, which is a powerful antioxidant which protects the skin. How you apply it is apply around the eye area for instant cooling and a rose glow. Use under or over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. It says we can use it over makeup, so let's give it a whirl. Healthy looks good on you. Okay, let me read the directions one more time. Apply around the eye area for an instant cooling and rose glow. Apply around the eye area? Oh, it feels very silky. Do I use it like a highlighter? Oh gosh, I don't know. Do it around the eye area. What if I just did it under my eye? Like this. I'm probably doing this like completely wrong, but let's just see. Maybe we should look it up. But I put it on, and it feels very cooling. It does feel tighter already. Probably gonna have to look up how to properly use this, but I put it on up under my eyes. Maybe it just gave like a little bit like a glow, a rose glow. I bet this would be awesome to use on a day that you don't feel like putting on like a full face of makeup, or if you're just ready to go out of the house like real quickly and you just wanna throw on something just to kind of freshen up your face. This would probably be a good product for that. The next thing is this Algenus formulated with alguronic acid. It's a complete eye renewal balm anti-wrinkle regimen. So this is a complete eye renewal balm. It's smooth skin, reduces puffiness and dark circles. So it says within 4 weeks of use, eye contours are visibly smoother, puffiness appears decreased, and dark circles are visibly decreased. Directions: apply to the eye area twice a day. This is the box that it came in. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this is the box that it came in right here. And this is the size and what it looks like as the eye balm. See what it smells like. It smells like a face cream. What you would think a face cream smells like, it smells like a face cream. Not heavily scented or anything. It might actually be scentless. This will be good. I don't really have dark circles, nor do I really have puffiness, but if it helps with anything as far as smoothness or anti-wrinkles, I know I need to start incorporating more of that into my skincare routine. So giving this a whirl, gonna give it a try. We'll definitely add this to my skin routine. Next up, we have a lip scrub, a vanilla bean lip scrub by the brand Wish. I'm really hoping that you can see this. I can't really tell. But this is by the brand Wish. Let's see, it gently exfoliates, smoothens, and softens. Exfoliates, moisturizes, renews. Let's see, how do you use this? Gently apply a small amount over dry, cracked lips and remove any excess sugar with a soft, warm cloth or water. I'll admit, I'm not a vanilla person. I have used a lip scrub before, and I would say in general my lips don't really get dry or cracked a whole lot, but it is the winter time, and I will say in the cold, wintry, windy days, definitely my lips will get chapped, and then especially in the summertime, if I'm out in the sun a whole lot and they get sunburnt, they'll get pretty dry and cracked that way as well. Oh yeah, smells like vanilla bean. I'm scared I don't want it to pour out. But I'm here for it. I'm definitely all for a lip scrub because anything that we can soften up these babies even more, I'm here for. So we'll give that a whirl. Okay, and I think this is the last, yes, this is the last item. Let's see, this is a Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I'm not that familiar with Dr. Brandt skincare. I do know it is a popular high-end skincare brand or line, but this is supposed to help refine the appearance of pores. It deep cleans your pores and it helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. If you're a person that's prone to having really big or deep pores or having some skin texture issues, this might be a product that you would love to try. I don't think I've ever really tried anything like this because again, I'm not the world's greatest at being a girl in terms of skincare in that manner. Yeah, I'm excited. It's great for all skin types. Let's see, how to use. Dampen skin with water, slowly and gently massage cream for 1 minute, avoiding the eye area. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to activate and deep clean pores. Rinse well, pat dry. Use 1 to 2 times per week, allowing 3 days between applications. Okay, so this must be really strong because this is not an everyday use product. You only use it 1 to 2 times per week. Wow. Okay, well, I'm certainly excited to try this. Let's see if it smells good. Oh, it definitely smells minty, so I bet it has like a good tingly feeling to it. So since I have a few skincare items, what I'm gonna do is actually test out these products tonight with y'all using this Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, this Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, and then this Wish lip scrub. Yeah, that was all the skincare items. So what I'll do is tonight when I take off my makeup, I'll actually use these products and give you like a little bit more of a review of these. Okay, so just got done washing my face. And so now I'm going to try the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. So briefly, again, the directions is to dampen skin with water, slowly and gently massage cream for 1 minute, avoiding the eye area, allow 1 to 2 minutes to activate and deep clean pores, and then we're gonna rinse well and pat dry. And again, it says to only use 1 to 2 times per week, allowing 3 days in between applications. So I'm gonna give this a try. Oh yeah, it feels like itty bitty little sand crystals all over your face. It definitely has a cooling effect. And then while we're waiting a couple of minutes for the exfoliator on my skin, we're gonna go ahead and try this lip scrub. Put a little bit on. I'm looking like a hot mess over here. Is it weird that it kind of tastes good? Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face now. My skin definitely feels very clean. Feels very fresh and very cool feeling on the face, so it feels really good on the face. And now we're gonna try this Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. We're gonna place some under the eyes. I'm gonna do it on my eyelids too. I don't know if you're supposed to do it on your eyelids, but I'm gonna do it on my eyelids. Because we get wrinkles up there too, you know. Ooh, my lips feel so smooth. Okay, I think we're good. I mean, I can't give a true review of these products because most of these you have to give a couple of weeks to give a true review, but after the first use of these products, I give them a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in signing up for the seasonal subscription box with FabFitFun to get $10 off your first order, be sure to use my unique discount code to get this $200 valued box for only $39.99. When you sign up, you get a winter box. You can also get a spring, summer, and fall box. I'm super excited to continue working with FabFitFun and discovering all these new and fun products. If you love fitness, if you love fashion, if you love beauty, all things lifestyle, this is a perfect box for you. So again, if you are interested, please be sure to check down in the description box below for more details and my discount code to sign up for FabFitFun. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. I'm very appreciative and very blessed that I finally get to try out FabFitFun for the first time, and I'm excited to discover and enjoy more fitness and beauty products in future seasonal boxes. Thank you so much. I love y'all, and y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.